Hi friends, welcome to our channel recrop.com, and here in this video we are at Brigade Buena Vista project, which is located in Budigiri Cross, Bangalore. So here you can take a view of main entrance gate of this project. And this is the view of main connecting road. This road will lead towards International Airport, and the airport is just 35 minutes away from this project. And here you can take a view of project model. So this project is spread over 7 acres of land and consists of 4 number of elevated towers with 22 number of floors each, and it total comprises of 742 number of residential units, and it has 80% open space. As in this project model, you can see the project is surrounded by greenery and is well equipped with various modern amenities for the comfort of the residents. Now here you can take the view of project site. This project offers 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential flats. And from here you can see the entrance. It's an under construction project located in one of the prime location of Bangalore. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat. So this we have entered through the main door, and here you can see the foyer space. This we have entered into the spacious living room, beautifully designed with an attached balcony. Right here is the dining space, and here in front you can see the spacious modular kitchen, very well crafted with granite black slab, and it also has a separate utility area. And now we are moving towards the bedrooms. So here comes the first bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom, spacious and skillfully designed with a huge window for proper ventilation of light and air. And this is the common washroom, which is quite spacious as well. Now here comes the kids bedroom with an attached washroom. And now we have entered into the master bedroom, beautifully designed with lavish interior decoration and laminated wooden flooring. It also has an attached balcony. This is the wardrobe, and here is an attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can also call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Avinash. I'll take you through the Neovative Homes, one of the biggest launch by Shriram Properties in east of Bangalore. This is the main road entrance which connects from Budigiri Cross. Okay. Now on the same road we have got the main entrance, which is the UA entrance. This is the UA entrance what we have. Now the moment you enter from here, the first thing which you find in the layout is the clubhouse 1, with lot of open space, lot of greenery near to the tower. Now our building starts from here in 11.5 acres of land parcel. We have got 9 towers and around 1200 units altogether in the combination of 2 and 3 BHK apartments. Yeah. Now just to give you the hint of this property, this project of 11.5 acres of land parcel has got 78% of the open space, which gives a lot of serene, calm, and good life to the people who are looking for this property. Now, again, if you look at the amenities part, we have a nice clubhouse, the clubhouse number 2, which is right in the center of all the towers, and we have got the infinity pool which is available here. If you are standing in your balcony, you can see a lot of greenery, you can see pool, you can see a lot of amenities down. Now, coming on to the amenities part of it, we have about 40 plus amenities. Naming out few, we have gymnasium, we have clubhouse, we have children's play area, we have park, we have music jamming room, which is one of the finest amenity which has come for the first time by any developer. And then we have a lot of indoor activities. We have tennis court, table tennis. Then we have badminton court. We have lot many other activities which are indoor activities we have. And something very special for the kids also what we have is we have wall climbing activities for the kids. So which generally you will find if you are visiting to the resort. Yeah, we have lot many theme gardens. We have aroma garden. We have butterfly trail garden. We have lot many greeneries and gardens which are available in the layout.
Hi everyone, in today's video we are visiting at Radiance Blossom residential project located on Buttigiri Road, Bangalore. So we are here on the main connecting road. And in front you can see our project. And here we are taking you into a villa. So in front you can see the parking area. And here's the entrance. And this is the spacious living area, designed with an attached balcony. And that's the kitchen and dining area. And now we are taking you into the first bedroom. And just next to the bedroom, here we have the common washroom. And this is the staircase, and now we are moving upstairs towards the first floor. And here on the first floor we have the living area, or we can say the family lounge. And now we are heading towards the second bedroom, which is designed with laminated wooden flooring. And this bedroom has an attached washroom here. And here is an attached balcony. And this is the third bedroom, which is also spacious. and very well designed. And this bedroom comes with an attached washroom. So this we have showed you the first floor, and now we are going upstairs. And here on the second floor we have the living area. So there is ample of space in this villa. All the rooms are spacious and are proper ventilated. And here on the second floor we have the fourth bedroom. So it's a 4 BHK villa, and this bedroom also has an attached washroom. This is a wide balcony on the second floor. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrab.com, and in today's video we are at Pashmina codename Maximum Khushiyan, located at off Budigiri Cross, Bangalore. It's a residential project. So we are on the main connecting road, and this way leads towards Whitefield, Kadugori and Kiarpuram. And from here you can take the project view, and that's the main entrance. So friends, it's an under construction project which is sprawled over 10.8 acres of land. It carries 3 number of towers and the construction is of 14 number of floors each. This project total comprises of 1155 number of residential units, and it offers 1 BHK flats. And it's a RERA approved project. And it offers world class amenities for the comfort of the residents. And now we are taking you into a 1 BHK model flat of codename Maximum Khushiyan. So here we will give you the interior view. So this is the entrance, and here we have the living area. Nicely designed. And here's the kitchen. And this is an attached balcony. Next we have the toilet. And here we have the bathroom. And now we are taking you into the bedroom. So here you can take the view of bedroom. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.